And good evening. I am going to try Nature's Bakery Fig Bar Strawberry. A couple years ago during the pandemic, I tried blueberry and I tried one other one. Oh, I think it was it peach? I think I tried. I looked this up the other day and now I forgot. But anyway, these were $9.49 off of Amazon for 6 twin packs. And here's what it looks like. Looks pretty neat. I like it. It's heavy. It's got weight to it. So let's try it out. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's whole grain. It's got that taste. I like it. I do. It's got quite a bit of filling in there too. I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10 only because you need something to drink with them. They're kind of dry. Otherwise, it seems like you're gonna be forcing it down. I think they could stand to be a little bit more moist, but that's just me. 9 out of 10 for Nature's Bakery Fig Bar Strawberry version. Until next time, have a good evening.